Oh, Chrisani, balwela.
I'm cut the bullshit when unganye. Ucabanga ukuthi ngizohlala la ngikubelieve wena ukuthi you want to empower umuntu omnyama, you want to enrich yourself.
Wait.
You're greedy.
Ucuma kuphi wena? Bana ngiqhuzela imikhala ndim i-office yami ndi-president. And
so what? I'm the fucking president of my own mind. Nationalize imali yami wena uzobona unyo.
Kubani uzanistop?
Uzostop amabhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi uphethe power wena. Party yakho ayina power. Power isezandleni zamabhulu. The country le bangayibamba bayenze so, Dlule rotation.
Phuma office yami umuntu wakho.
Wena awungithusi wena. Yes. Piece of chicken shit. Angusabi mina.
Phuma office yami golo.
Wahambe uyokhotha umqondo kanyoko. Fuck on shit.
Ha. Uzonyele office yami. Ndonqaki yakho wena,
You rehired uLizzy no Shakes because ngoba usithi uzawujika izinto. Uthenga nje usibuyisela umva nje usibuyisela kula president sikaZondo. Where are your morals, Mkhuseleli? Where are your principles?
Umqondo we-principles, Bridget. Fuck the principles. This is my office, this is my country, this is my leadership, this is my cabinet. So the country ngizayirana ngendlela ndifuna ngayo, hayi ngale yakho. Ngokulunga uqhela kakubi mina. Ha. Xa ngubani? Uthi kutheni?
I'm sorry, Mr. President, but I'm not going to be part of any national plan that destroys the lives of South Africans. I'm sorry.
Uba uyaphuma ngalamnyango, consider into yokubana i-legacy ye-operating license revoked. Siyavana?
Ndiyaphuma, and I guess I'll see your government in court. Thank you.
Phuma phe office yami, ungaphinde ubuya.